Hello everyone, in this video we are solving part 2nd and part 3rd of question number 4. Again you have to factorize, and we can factorize this by splitting middle term. So if you want to split the middle term, you have to think of two numbers whose multiplication is equal to this into this, which is actually 6, and whose sum is this much, 7. So obviously two numbers whose sum is 7 and whose multiplication is 6, for that you have to take the factor of 6, which is actually 6 into 1. So obviously these two numbers must be 6 and 1. So splitting the middle term, so this must be 6x plus x plus 3. So 7 has been split in two parts, 6 and x, whose sum is equal to 7x and whose multiplication is equal to 6 into 1 is actually 6. So take common from first two, which is 2x, and 2 is already taken out, 1x is taken out, so only 1x is remain, and from 6 2 is taken out, so only 3 is remain and x is already out. So in this case also plus 1 when taken out, inside the bracket same thing will remain. So from this is one term plus this is another term. So from both terms x plus 3 is common, and from this term when x plus 3 is taken out, only 2x remain inside the bracket, and from this where x plus 3 is taken out, so only 1 will remain inside the bracket. So the factor for this must be equal to this into this. Similarly, here also you have to split this term. The multiplication must be equal to this into this, which is equal to 36 minus 36, and whose sum must be equal to 5. For that we have to factorize 36, 2 into 18, 2 into 9, 2 into 3 into 3 and 3 into 1. So when these two taken, which is 4, and these two is taken, which is 9. So 9 into 4 is actually 36, and 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is 6x square. So obviously because we are subtracting, so the one value should be positive and another should be negative, and the last will remain as it is. The greater value is positive because when these two subtracted, the result should be plus 5x, so the greater value must have positive sign. That is why we are putting the positive sign in front of the greater number. So similarly again take the LCM from this. So 3x is the LCM. So 3 when taken out from 6, 2 will remain, x will remain, and 3 will remain here. So again we have to make this much inside the bracket. So take 2 from these two and 1 negative, because when negative sign is taken out, both will become positive. So again this and this is same, so take this as LCM, and inside the bracket only this much will remain. So the factor of this is this into this. This is how we can solve this particular question. Thank you.